Hello and welcome. This is Today in the News. First, the highlights. President Buhari pays two-day working visit to Ebonyi. Osinbajo Pastor Abakaliki peak APC 100 million naira presidential farms. Former Permanent Secretary Clement Law jailed 12 years for fraud. Bamishe's council applies to Lagos Attorney General for fiat to prosecute BRT driver. President Muhammadu Buhari is in Abakaliki, Ebonyi State capital, on a two-day working visit where he is expected to commission numerous projects executed by the Umahi administration. He is also due to have a meeting with selected leaders from the southeast. Though no details of agenda for the meeting was disclosed, it's expected that the security concerns in the region and the detention of leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, will be top on the topics for discussion. The president touched down at the Akanu Mbiam International Airport Enugu en route Ebonyi State at about 10:30 a.m. He was received by Enugu Governor Ifeanyi and his Ebonyi counterpart David Umahi and other officials of government. Vice President Yemi Osinbajo has picked the nomination and expression of interest forms of the ruling All Progressives Congress at a cost of 100 million naira. Senator Kabiru Gaya, one of the leaders of the Osinbajo's campaign, picked up the forms on behalf of the nation's number 2 man on Thursday. Osinbajo, who joined the presidential race last month, has been going around the country to consult delegates ahead of the primaries which will hold at the end of this month. Similarly, 7 overseer of the Citadel Global Community Church, Tunde Bakari, on Thursday purchased the 100 million naira nomination and expression of interest forms of the All Progressives Congress to contest the 2023 presidential primary in Abuja. The APC has now extended the form sale by 4 days. A federal high court sitting in Lagos on Thursday sentenced the former permanent secretary in the Ministry of Labour and Productivity, Dr. Clement Law, to 4 years imprisonment for each of the 3 count charge. The court also ordered the forfeiture of some sums recovered from the convict to the federal government being proceeds of unlawful activities. Justice Babs Kwewumi found the law guilty of a 3-count charge preferred against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. Counsel to the family of the late Bamishe Ayonwola, who was raped and murdered on a BRT vehicle in February, has written to the Lagos Attorney General applying for a fiat to prosecute the murder trial against the sole defendant Andrew Nice Ominikoron. In March, the state government arraigned Andrew Nice on a 4-count charge before Justice Sherifat Solibo of the High Court Tafawa Balewa Square Annex, Lagos Island. He pleaded not guilty to the offences. Hearing is scheduled to formally begin next Monday. But the family's counsel, Additional Gulano, in a letter to the Lagos Attorney General dated 4th May and seen by TVC News, stated that the Ayonwola family has formally expressed their wish to have a more independent body conduct the prosecution, adding that in their view, the Lagos state government, agency and officials are involved in the matter and may not be reasonably expected to act as the prosecutor against themselves.